Hi, my name is Mikey. I'm a first-time mom, and today I'm gonna be sharing with you one of our family records when it comes to mosquitoes and insects. Wow! Ito siya. This is Orenji Electric Anti-Mosquito Heater. We've been using this for, I think, more than 6 months na. It started during the rainy season. Orenji means orange in Japanese. That's why it's orange, and it looks like an orange. One thing I like about this is, ayan, naro-rotate siya based kung anong itsura ng saksakan. Ito yung nilalagay dito sa heater. Kung papasok siya dito. Kung mag-i-scroll kayo sa profile ko, you will see how to use this. And ito puwera biro, pero sobrang bilib kami and trusted namin tong Orenji na to. The first few nights na we started using this, na-notice ko kaagad every morning pagigising kami yung mga patay na insekto around this, sa paligid nito. So, yes, hindi lang siya para sa mosquito, but also for other insects. May one time din na nagising kami ng morning, nakita ko malapit dito, merong naghihingalong beetle. Yes, beetle. Odorless and smokeless siya. So, hindi mo po problemahan na baka masinghot ni baby or masinghot ng kahit sino sa inyo. Siyempre, last but not the least na reason bakit prefer ko to is sobrang affordable niya. Now, here's more. I heard magkakaroon ng baby fair on December 5 to 10 sa SM Mega Mall at kasama ang Orenji doon. You can avail this or any of their go-away anti-mosquito products with 20% off plus free patch. Ups. And I heard pag nakafollow ka in at least 2 of their social media accounts, makakakuha ka ng another free patch. Kaya ano pang inaantay mo? Make sure to follow Orenji and see you at the fair.